Sweet baby girl, cleanup 5. Hello, I'm Chloe. Can you help me? Welcome to my house. Hi, can you help me clean this? Ew, my room is a mess. Put the things where they belong. Get rid of these dust balls, please. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oops, confetti is all over the floor. Let's see what's under the carpet. There's so much dust. Vacuum here too. Good job! My room looks amazing! Hi, can you help me clean this? Let's clean the aquarium. First, take out my Goldie. Spray on some cleaner. Oops, there is a leak. Great, it's fixed. Now clean off the algae. Much better. My fish would love to have a castle. Awesome! Let's color it. Goldie is very happy. Thank you for your help. Hi, can you help me clean this?